What's the meaning of cru? Cru. Cru.
Cru. Cru. Cru is a term commonly used in the wine industry to describe a specific classification of wine from the French region of Bordeaux. Wines labeled as cru are considered to be of high quality and reflective of their terroir or place of origin. The classification system ranges from Premier Cru, first growth, to Quatrième Cru, fourth growth, with the higher classifications typically commanding higher prices. Overall, cru signifies a level of prestige and excellence in the world of wine.